Our sweet baby girl had her first diaper blowout today. Not once, but 3 different times. So I'm gonna try one of those magical baby stain remover hacks and see if I can get hydrogen peroxide and dish soap to take out your poopy stains out of her cute clothes, because they're so cute. I'd like to save them. I don't feel like measuring, so I'm just gonna eyeball 1 part dish soap to 2 parts hydrogen peroxide and mix that all together to make a stain remover liquid. I'm gonna spoon this over her poop stains on her little rompers. One is really fancy and the other 2 are nice, but not as fancy. So the one I really hope this comes out of is this little peach onesie, because it was expensive. Hydrogen peroxide give anyone else like serious PTSD. Now that our little stain solution is on, I'm gonna throw these things in with the rest of the wash and hope for the best. I want to show you guys how well it worked, because I am super impressed. I thought for sure that one big stain was not gonna come out. And look at this, ta-da! 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 There is literally nothing left of the stains. They're completely gone. Even on this fancy one, which I was so worried about. Yes, I'm super jazzed about this. We have a new trick, Bubba. Mama tried and Mama liked. See you guys later.